Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in today's video I'll show you how to check who unfollowed you on Instagram. Instagram doesn't provide a simple list showing everyone who has unfollowed you. However, you can manually check a specific person. For that, you need to open your Instagram app and go to your profile, then tap on your followers and search for the person's username. And if they don't appear in your followers list, then they may no longer be following you. You can also open their profile and check whether your account appears in their following. And be careful with the third-party apps that claim to automatically show everyone who unfollowed you, because these apps may require access to your Instagram account and can create security or privacy risks. So that was it for the video. Please do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you for watching.